so.
Insane.
Very interesting. That is noteworthy. Here is a little something on using sound when striking. Different sort of sounds we make, like yeah, 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 yeah. When you strike someone's body with sound, the power is greater, as opposed to just going. But when you go, hit, or boom, or ah, whatever, when you strike with sound, the power is greater. Secret doesn't have to be African, it doesn't have to be Japanese. You find your own vowels. You find your sound. Your warriors yell. What works for you? It can be boom, ta, shaka, laka, boom.